Favor where they share number for TikTok. Favor where they share number.
Ashawo woman. No way Ashawo.
Favor where they share number. They share number. I say we'll talk for DM. You never see where for any of us for talk say we'll talk for DM. We want got number here.
Yeah.
At least we are 10 or 11 people or 12 or 15 people for right. You go down 4 or 5 this time.
Oh yeah.
Ashawo.
Ashawo. You go say yan wa be.
No, go enjoy you now. Go enjoy you. But when you do one like that, you not.
If you pray, I don't think for 9 years.
Yeah.
So like that for what the believer say, this guy really love me. What do I beat it for me? And he got the money because money they call.
Which money you get? Which money you get?
My city is busy.
You could release better in my own page.
Never did release. You know the one.
And for peace for him, you say you squared.
Then
For peace for him, you say you squared.
no, nah. Me and the pity for where. I don't know why this idiot they do any other now. Me and the pity for boy. Me know they. I don't my boy can let me there. I see the bad piece when not to do I live on. I tell us I understand stand up.
You dey hear am? Give me for back. Favor your nyash not dey leak. Your papas not dey this world again. Now tell your God they sew your pants. Your nyash not dey leak. When they say vandalize your
Vandalize and yash.
papas, your own size of papas, now tell your God they sew your pants. Shame on you. Shame on you. You can't tell us to make it dey knack you for nyash. See what you use your mouth talk. All your video where you take fool yourself, I go save her. Year by year, where your children go they put 1 year join their age, I go they renew her so that the more that they grow, they go they see their mama nonsense. Every year, you know, say every year children must celebrate birthday. I go they share her. I go keep all your nonsense wait for your children. Make they see the car use less more than what they get. Year by year, I go they share her. I go save all of them.
Way they pay, make them knock her. God forbid. That I will pay.
You believe now? Say children they don't use social media now. They'll come see mama say they cry for prick. Mama they cry for prick. Shame and disgrace. Now instantly they'll just say reject you as a mother. Instantly, your mama they cry for prick. So we not poor. You never see any who were those who favor. Yeah, it's so. I'm West Hospital. Here detained West Hospital. Who we are so who favor? Who we are so who? Klabate toto. I even say your toto na water. I don't know say na toto where even go be mustana prick. Your toto people mustana prick. Kuma mo be there ye pains. Umwa ye pains ma ye say na do asta guy the Twitter. Wow, what favor. Ah, bell. Tu sais mi
mutana ma be mutana be dole
Uwe favor wa boleke mutana.
O wa boleke mutana. O vere isokia. O isokia.
Uwe me abebu uwe
what was there? You go 200,000 in madam. When in a do we on a do money sanema, Umago way on this Munde JP.
Alum.
We give you on a wow, Nisa.
Also, we're not 30. Alum.
My
only one let they say.
Good afternoon. Good evening.
Mama, welcome.
Greetings. Come on me. I beg go. I want to quick ask this question. Favor, I'll call you mommy Favor because you still get children and you are still a mother. Because the way where this thing your country be now for media, you know, can't be like say now because of one prick you they have say you with not be today that they see woman they got that fuck one prick. I don't know whether you do understand me. where relationship not too good. You leave the relationship and the woman, I bet mama la will go take boy, I will in case if they want record and go give her. Make she not come back on the insult me. Now France all of us do. I beg. Wetin I want ask you, favor, mommy favor, wetin be really be the problem? Now because say you date my way get girlfriend, una no come dey again, and you dey drag the woman since how long now? Now be the problem. Bros Bobby Domo, no be saga. I just want to ask question because the thing, it looks so surprised. Domo Baba. Or any other thing day where we don't know, make another person open platform, then una can climb up. Make two of una can talk what it really did. Because people want to know, mothers want really know what it really did. Because me not sure say na prick now be the problem. It's like you with Mama Twins fair get one thing una they drag. Mommy favor. If I say una get wetin two of una fair they pursue or una get wetin una oye get owe nakpa koko omodo owo wa evana ona igi oga we owe another thing dey inside. Abeg mo na let our fathers will still did this TikTok. Our brothers will did this TikTok. Oh no. Because this one not going to resemble you date a guy, I date a guy, and the thing don't work. Everybody separate because this one can't look different. No. It's the truth. Me, they let us know what it really did. We want to know. Even me, myself, I want to know. Many people they correct to know. Mommy favor. Everybody they want to know. I be another thing they where we don't know.
I said the problem. They say they don't follow us, drag the man and the.
No, not be that one. Not be that one. Because no. Because people even saga the man. So many people saga the man. So many people even online video saga the Mama Twins. Talk to favor. Talk to Mama Twins. They should no one great rest. Maybe another people feel online video. They'll bring even a Papa Nora. Even online video is settled there. Share no one great rest. Mommy favor, I know insult you. I just they ask question. Are they cross to know? I be you want more now. Make the online video. Make online video for una again. Don't una go climb up to ofuna. Don't go ask to ofuna. I be get another thing. Where to ofuna fed the drag. Where we don't know. Now this Montana una want come follow.
No, what did you tell me be that? So say the Montana they give their gift. When they go to pursue the boy and the woman for body, they go to make the boys.
Which is Mama Twins and the favor where they get this issue. So at least me, una not figure out this TikTok, these two women. Mommy Twins now, you know the thought of be favor, no one green let go. Maybe get waiting, Mommy Twins do favor. Where we don't know. I be more than online video for them. Two of them for come up. May favor can use the math. TikTok say say waiting, Mama Twins fair one. Or maybe Mama Twins don't fair offend favor for a very long time. Mama Twins no even know. Then it come pass Montano to enter. But I remember when favor started, when Mommy favor start this thing, she mentioned one word. He said Mama Twins and the baby papa fair get one or two. You understand? King Mother, you know so she talked that thing. You remember? So she talked that thing. And Mama Twins come debunk her. Even she can't even still say na lie. Later she can't accept. Maybe now all those ones still the verse her. I beg, more kuna call the baby papa, more kuna call the what do they call her? The mama favor, mommy favor. So that if now that one be the problem, make the woman for apologize, give you and that woman not even do anything with your baby papa. If with your baby papa not get anything.
Mama people
because your baby papa they go follow Mutan. I don't know whether you understand me.
Who be
You
favor?
become your baby papa now. Go follow Muta. You go become baby papa. Go follow Muta so that you will feel enter Mama Twins body.
I favor. A favor word that works.
Mommy, no, because the thing is just it every day the worst.
Yeah, no problem.
It's
Because
the
my
worst.
people never face them.
It's the
Mommy,
worst.
mommy, let them say if you finish, I'll talk something.
Favor, if anything dey apart from me do with a fork the same prick, Mutano now, he don't decide to deal with Toto when he wants. Nobody can change that. No move on. Mutano don't deal with Toto when he wants.
Oh, cry, tire.
That people, our brothers take this
because
TikTok.
Mutana no go leave Mama Twins.
People still take this TikTok with they respect. People still take this TikTok with they respect. Clear Bob, face a date. Mama Twins go clear Bob. You go clear Bob. You go tell Mama Twins. Hold on. You go tell Mama Twins. You go tell Mama Twins. Say, Mama Twins, you offend me so time like this. Mama Twins, let me know. If you tell her, she go apologize. Tell her, you know, say you offend you so time like this. Then everybody go move on. Because that prick. This thing. The moment first cute guy take the way go, they even they spend for you and le. Hey, make you stop. You be mama. So then me and the hour years so they happy. Now my baby you to kubata me na gola nyame. Then I'm coming me to it. But imatia bon well, erovieme, or tare. Don't know. Erovieme, madam. Give my any no sunu. Daily raw. Ni get twins you way. All of us go gather they beat Mama Twins. Apart from Mutano prick. Because this prick, you can't meet Mama Twins. The prick. Don't they exist? Mama Twins aren't.
Okay.
Matter when I tie. Or existing or ye kianane for the past 3 years. No man yet vero de Paris.
Okay.
No man yet vero menere Paris here we have that date. I know say that the date. Let's stop. If I know that is day, let us know. No, they drag people. I know say me we just climb up with the name and don't give me no work carry happy now. Very dirty. And I don't curse you. If you even come curse me, I don't answer you. But let us you know what it be the cocoa. We want to know what it be the cocoa. Any other thing dey, apart from this prick. If any other thing dey, let us know. Mama Twins, you get any other thing where you do her, or do with her don't face body. Una don't face body for any place because the matter no gree rest. E get here born no more. I'm we bug mo. How one no now one. Oma make sense. Oma make sense, eh? I'm telling you the truth. As a Benin woman, when you be, you're not supposed to they become prick. Prick when you kiana who is it do online? Who is it de kia online one de kia? Who de kia vola na de? I be no say dirty side day when you for bad prick. As women they also, na so men they also. It day. If you don't get, you go buy for them. If you need that big, it dead there. If you need that way too strong, it dead there. But now I go river. Me no go understand. But I say another thing there. This matter. Eh? We give women. Wala mana wo. That will if you take it easy. Take it easy. Make ba mesa won la. Because kiana pa ne. Ogwe di owner on. Where go? E di owner do make ya here. Hida.
Oh, go le bio.
Mommy, let them say. Mommy, let them say.
Let your mute.
Mommy, let them say.
Bring Mama Twins come up. Bring Mama Twins come up. Okay, if you bring her come up now, she'll come say, she not there yet. You can't bring Mama Twins.
I want to talk something. The thing is that Mama Twins not really get what to do favor. Favor don't they find way to enter saga line. She use her mouth talk as in a saga she want call they do. As a normal person when get sense, prick where you only dug for two times, and you know you even know say this guy and this babe they together for good 3 years. They even ask you, say, you know this guy, you deny, say, you not know JP, and you know, say, JP, they date this woman. Now, trouble, now, favor, they find. Okay, may you tell no, say, favor, now, troublesome person. This matter don't circulate everywhere for Tito. They come finally go land for a no platform. A no come settle and say, oh, Yamuna go na separate way. May nobody saga each other. The very day when a no talk that matter, that night, favor come out for mommy twins. And till today, that woman no, you know, come out for that for favor. That woman now never is so favor children. Okay, we now when mommy people they come our platform, they gift us the power tap. Favor now cause begin the fight with us say in enemy.
You never. Mama twist as your console. Tell mute yourself. You never how a wo.
So
my
okay,
sister
now,
continue.
okay, mama. This mama twist way day here. He don't know us for TikTok. If they come our live stream, favor will just say come our live stream. Favor will just say we comment for a picture. Favor will just go on live video for midnight or sometimes 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. We'll call the see the screen record. Favor will just begin to insult us. We will be friends.
No matter what, you still they call her mommy favor because no be still
Okay.
small picking.
Okay,
Still they put that respect mommy favor.
That.
You get why? You get why?
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
Wait.
Every mommy for bug by favor.
Wait,
Hey,
mommy, mommy, keep
Mommy,
wait.
Hey, tie bona we mutiana.
Lisa getting
I beg.
it depends on me. Mommy, let's just say, it depends on me if I will call her mommy or I will call her. So, okay, people now go come out, they insult us. See what it really trigger me for this whole issue. Is that when they talk this matter? I not talk puts. But they see when they use they curse us. I go call Mommy King say, favor they curse us, so Mommy King go say, where CIA was CIA. Up to 3 times like that one I don't talk to Mommy King. Until one day I did my live stream. Mommy P come. She gives me, she climb up, we greet, we got the vibe. She herself come. As I see her, she gives me. Now because I say, favor, I want use opportunity to talk to you. I beg, my sister, rest of this matter. I know what Team Mutana do. You pay you. Oh. I know say people they feel saying the money, but now the betray you. I can't even use sweet word to talk to favor. Favor come right for comment section say thank you, my lady, saying here. As I even see end that live video, I can see voice mommy people say, mommy, please rest of this matter. I beg, mommy people because saying don't rest. That very day, so for midnight, favor come enter live video. He called they thank people. He said, I thank all my friends. When stand by me, when quarrel with me, quarrel with the rest, but not be all those fake friends. When don't go make friend with my enemy. Who are ya here? He talk at that night. Following day again, you see the live video. He cost it talk him again. Me no say person still they wash and when no mama twist one of Deutschland. As favor cause they talk say una when don't go make friend with my enemy. Who are ya? Mommy Pipi, call your friends for Germany now. May they come fight for you. All those your friends who are ya? Meanwhile, you call mama to say this woman don't start again. That person call mama to say favor they insult you there. Now so this will start saga to start. You understand, mama? If you look at from the beginning, favor a troublesome person. It's just they drag this woman for nothing. It's not even my problem. The woman get mad to fight for herself. But I they fight for my own self. Make she not they insult me. Not be me cause her depression. That one on my own.
Okay, wait now. Now because una advise her, now she can't enter on her own body. Okay, which is fine and good. It be like when you as me climb up now, me no say she go come for me. I mean now when you want come for my dad, I no come answer you. Thank God say I don't curse you for you. I just you see me, I still they call you mommy favor. You understand? I don't curse you. I just only call you come ask you because me no can understand what did they happen. When you date a man, nobody be baby. All of us now mothers here. All of us don't still born, all of us don't first still date. At the end of the day, you no go work hard, you go leave the relationship, then you go give time to yourself, then you go see another man where still they pass where you for commot. You understand? Then me no can understand this dragging, you understand? Because this mama twins now, you the drag her, she not the reply to you. And I remember saying no get settle this issue. Everybody they on his own. Everybody there on his own is there. But you don't want to let go. I be another thing there, apart from this Mutano break. Because if we say, "Oh, check out," you with Mama Twins now not be best of friends. Now, if you be my friend, then you come pass my back, go sleep with my guy. Now, they get issue like this. I mean, with you not supposed to get issue like this. And the man is supposed to the flock. We go sleep with my friend. But this one, you don't know Mama Twins before. You and Mama Twins don't know each other. So I come now say, because of break, what two of una do they drag the woman no rest? I be another thing there. I be get what Mama Twins first do you where we don't know. Or Mama Twins first do what I call what's it called? Yeah, big mommy favor. I be get where Mama Twins for don't fair offend you where we don't know. So let us know. Because men don't come be like so no man come they put for prick. Prick whether they buy online. Prick they online. You buy online. When I work here online. Ask your husband online. I can't go online. If you don't want to see who toast you, you go buy online. I drive online. The website there. Yes. I be another thing there. But when Nigeria. Yes, now prick the online now. The website is there. I can't online.
Mommy, let them say. Mommy, let them say. Mommy, let them say. Hold on. May I tell you the reason why favor. Wait.
If you don't like big word, there. If you don't like
Mommy,
big
let them
word,
say. Mommy, let them say. Hold on. I want to.
So what will be the problem, Mama Twins? Any other thing there? Where we not know.
Hold on. I want to. The reason
Let
why
us
favor.
know.
The reason why favor they drag me not pass. After you know when you know they talk that day, I move. They not see anything where for my mouth. They
everybody in the house of Wagbe.
they drag me. Wait me no, I know anybody any explanation. Even though they carry the matter go any platform, I know they climb up again. No. I don't get anything when I want to explain to myself again. Who's person I want to explain when they never see what they happen, when they never know the truth. Favor, I don't know what I follow favor back when I no gree pay. You understand? I don't know the reason why favor they drag me reach more than 7 months, get to 7 months now. You understand? Only God, they say they need the see nightmare. Koro, I favor na my nightmare. You understand? Favor na my nightmare. So I leave everything for God. Even though under person now, he hold this thing. They expect me say me I climb up that. I know anybody any explanation. I know they climb up. I know they explain myself again. I know they what you they pay me now the people when they saga when they don't do anything. Yes. Now wait, yes. That very first day, that day when favor on live video after I know they thought that even say where me go mute, where me no judge, where me face only she. I don't get what I want to explain. What if favor say make I explain? I don't get it when I want to explain to people. He said, no, only if that they drag, they go, no, only shit that they drag. Favor, I don't get anything with you. I never see you for my life. 13 years plus for France. I never see face to face. I never see one-on-one. I don't know whether you short, whether you tall, whether you bend, whether you dey throw leg. I never see you. When you date this man, I don't know. So I don't know the reason why you they drag me reach like this. Favor, leave me for ways. I beg you in the name of God. Leave me. I know they owe you any fucking thing. Favor, I don't know your husband from Adam. I don't know your husband from anywhere. Favor, leave me alone. Focus on your life and face your children. Give your children the best life and best food. Leave saga. Favor, you there on that money till now with pajama. You not go bath, you not do anything.
No, wait. Not be that one. Wait, Mama Twissy. We shall no, not be that one.
No, Mama, you don't have to shout for me. Don't shout for me. I'm not a baby. Don't shout for me.
Hold on, now.
You have to calm your voice.
You can't talk here now.
You calm your voice. Calm your voice. I'm not a kid.
Money tonight. No, not be that one. Hold on.
Because
please.
you insult me.
Because if you go to talk and then you come like say no, you come like say she not there yet. We allow you Make you call it. Since you don't already
I know it's
talk.
total.
Since you don't already talk, so you don't know a baby papa for Adam. You never see her for grand. You understand? She wear pajama take the live video 24 hours of the day. It not be anybody business. You understand?
Talk about
You say you don't know her. You say you don't know her. You say you don't. Now, so you don't know her. You don't know her. Favor. Mama twins. He say never see you for grand. We met them on Pama West. They will be a donuki. Ya wa gbona no margina. Onwa o ma mi ewe wo to o mari ewo ka mari ewo gi. Udo a ogwe no apole yo poleri e mi no gba. O wa we gba we ki apa ekran. Wa wa ewe ki ane and ma be are ba ogwuye ma egwe kwebe we ne kia bitinye. Uso viere ai. Do we ya wa agbe ne kia hia. Zebo ho edo no gu bi. Gbe wa agbe ne kia. So viere ai. Benu gbebe jo ya we kia. Eri ye mejo ya we kia. They can prefer we or choose we. Oh, benene kia ya. Obije mi no ba. Ke no majo ba we. Mi no ya sunu ba we. Because I do get me no wona tana na. Ima dem ata e no. A we ma so e ma bere. O we e ma we de. O we e ma mi we devil to. O understand? O ka accuse where a baby papa we iya eva. Iya we ni kugbe. Obiere ya mawe vivia do ya temene aba ma oge asie obiere na ko we delete full ona ariye bebo ona ariye goe una deny be ni bet una to take bet to confirm me live video we e ma tagele no ovije egbere be na we wa dragele no ya hia so viere aye When no gwene no be bwene no be ariowa appear to say Paris voyage go meet her for house in case of people when know the year Bini me favor go meet the Mutano for house me go meet her for a house favor leave this woman alone leave her alone because she never see you for grand once say she don't know you before leave her because if person say me say request call your platform, you no go green. If person beg you, you no go green. So there's no need. So favor leave her alone. Esa Edo Bamaya. If you do Mayaki. We come from this Edo state. May don't talk for this matter. Our brothers don't talk put mothers. Children don't go state. What is it? This one say never see you now for grand. He never see you will never alone. They drag the prick. I bet I tell the prick, make the prick can't toast you. Mama twist now you tell the prick, make go toast her.
I'm not dead there. I'm not dead there, my sister. I'm not dead there.
Leave her. Obere bi ye gbegwe usie gbe otion wi. Ana we na doge na. Ovije me gbe me we ri abi. Sevo kwedo. Okuni wa we na gbegwe gbe na sie. Okuni wo we le me pade na oni wi me ogbegu me ni na e wo pe ani ma wo egba ko. That is papa and mama something. Meaning my date be they do asie no oni wa he emi no gba na. O beri amame sie ma because they no wo gbina. It better tell not am oni. No oni can amame the reason why no na gbegu me yi sie. La wo egbe soko na be aye continue agbe hia gbe soko na see aye ogwe dog wa wono na every day you find you dey beautiful may you stop abeg now any ma bugbe wa every tia we saga yes Emma domanu wono igu egun now they decide who are ati ebo me they don't want anywhere Boko invest threatening. Invest threatening the money we bet if I me away. Stop. So wona aye. Say aye. Say aye. Ema agaga very ani aga o oppress e pe nu dagwe. No now we son. But when I do lele uji na do lele law. O wona bo na gba kokokaro. Before we kese ha. O wona bo be anya date ne before we kese ha. O we ye gboma nu gbedo ba. Ave gboma na do ba bo wa. Gbo kwedo agbe na do ba bo wa. Agbe na do ba bo wa. Because na do ba bo wa o we no pe mo we to say. O be ani o ma no mo we to say do nya ya go go kwedo wi. O be ani o ma no mo we to so gbele no bia. O se no do ba bo wa no viere ne gbe o viere. O we ya be ya we ni eni o we ya ri eve ni o ana we na le lo. O ma no suppose no gbo na. Of edima. O suppose no gbi ije twins we. Owo edima. O suppose no gbi ije twins we no do ye twins. Eni no gba na we o ye do. Gbe wa agbe mutano. I describe my mama no je. Ma be si je twins ya so viere ai. Si ai ma. Who advise you say who tell you the truth? Nobody go support you for this thing. Make you for rest. Now everybody dey. Can wala lie umiene. Umanangi miu bia vene France na wa gba se vene ki avouer France na se. Vene ki avouer France na se. Ki are France. Now you go refuse. So you know people do not want. Now you go they say no. This one not rich. Do mangi mienu ge like it. Bu ge stroke here about there. La line. Many will also line. Erekia real line. Yeah, it goes over line. Or I need to know whatever. Yeah, come with the inches, the size.
Yeah, do dinner.
The size or whatever ni. The inches, then on J, me ya, then massage me ya gwale yen gbena yiba. Or I need to know the finger. Or I need that via correva. Then you go work be eruaya he. Orola. Massage me ya. Emi ya gwalo reba. And you can do it, you do it at the end of the day, they will not know that you have that kind of a thing with anybody. Only dear media don't drag you away. Anytime you need IDS 10 day not back away. Anytime you need it, you call the company, they deliver only a packaging. I deliver a way. You package it, you clean your mouth. You go. Orola. See, then the France gig basse managaro. Orola. Maybe wa sola ba. Wa me boge mutano ba. No ko le soge mutano reba. DJ.
War on la.
We are one of that manner. Mama can sense now, so you're fairish. I'm make sense. Maybe why say any banner was says the website the banner who don't mean no kwa basoge mutano no veliamo soge se mutano veya orela. They go write some see what the person they do, see how the person take day. They go write as woman sitting the also is online. There's nothing like this 24. This 26 citrine, this one a Western world. You can have anything you want to have with you feel like. It's online. Managwa boy, munu ye gogo. Tame gogo enu gwale gogo amu enu. Ha, my sister la wo egbe. Begba agbe mutanu, begba agbe la wo si ye twisi ai. So viere ai. Lao. So viere ai. Every when no down on house negative miane but one time and about ye my with there ye may me with there ye may we will talk what drag you unnecessary way vasi we walking away remember jebo be like me na we vasi me maybe on bet it be very now he fuck me at that time we not come there again. Emma do a drag up be and wawe bari yiri kubene. Do a drag it be media. Or the le no man. Or the le. Ni kere media ne me drag up be a there when Rima boy ya date in my drag it. In my drag it. No. If you don't work, go. Go. Now what we should call. Jamais. Là-haut, o fie do in, o kwe do in, aremi u, kogwe yo to ya ago to. Ere ni o mano mare nwe, o na wiye ma uwe mi rokpa wiye ma ewe de. A uweri oni, enu wanu da uwa bege egbe, o mano gwalo, ya, who come for you, you come for her. Who deal with you, you deal with her. If you dey fight the fight, people say, this person come for you. But this woman say never come for you once. You know, pass you for granted. And this woman even still write you for DM. You deny yourself. No, now. If you say, "Mo come check," if elderly want really talk the truth, now you dey offend Mama Twins now. Not be Mama Twins, they offend you. The man wey say make you deny yourself, give Mama Twins. Now you supposed to be built where I bear here. Be ese mutano a ese ae wa be here be si ye tu si ae so be ae no pe mata ma wo
ma ye gbe na ye tu si ma ye gbe
na ko gba ke e mata bata ma ona do agbegba ya
egbe gbo mi
mata bata ma
egbe gbo mi o awi mama te baye meji na nedo de ba we
who tell am me I no fit your climb up for ya come dey say come dey join you. No, I'll tell you the truth. People will tell you truth. You're not supposed to beat them. You're supposed to beat the man. They go. Who tell you say I beat Mama Twins? She not get what she do you. They beat you who do you something. I'm not. If you say what Mutano do now say is right, or what you still do, you are right. Both of you are wrong. Yeah, because you as a woman,
I'm support a boy.
You as a woman. You know you are still with your baby papa. You know you are still with your baby papa. The man they talk to you. The man, you let the man accept. Jesus. The man, you let the man know say your baby papa still they come. Una still they do. The man can't accept. You don't know say such man, no, he not go take you serious. Which man go even allow any girlfriend go dey talk to another man for phone? We know they jealous. You go dey jealous. Talk like say the man go come, he go spend weekends. Now what do you use your man to talk? You can say right time. Say no worry, baby papa is here. If you don't come out, we'll talk. Now what do you use your man to talk? I go, mommy favorite well. What do you use your mouth?
I go. No one here. No way more. Mama.
Mo e do ma no ni. Won wa ya bo ma.
Na egu.
Won ya bo ma. Na we wa. No make na re. No make na re nwa.
Okay.
Wa go ma na egun an. No ma ni make na re. Won ata ma gbe. No make na re no. Automatically there's red flag there already. Mommy favor. There's red flag there already.
No, man, no.
Don't you know?
No.
Don't you know? There's red flag. A man now accept. Believe you well. When you are on you, wa mune no be Monday to Friday, for instance. Monday to Tuesday. Who don't want a baby papa the weekend? Oh no, deva. God forbid though. That's what you do. You fuck up, you fuck up as a Benin woman. You fuck up, You dey married to two men at the same time like that. You dey serve pizza Monday to Tuesday, Monday to Wednesday or Thursday. Friday the evening, you can serve the pork till Monday. Mama, well, la go. But tell na ma be ni one everywhere doni. Yeah, I'm a uriabe. Yeah, we no te matter. Why we no ri no waswe. Mama we me fuck up. Gbok bia na oni gbe na gele accept. Gbok bia na me no ya we ojo gba va oriye, ojo gba oriye. Gbok bia na me no ya we mama mata ma we ni eta ma. Mata we na.
Awi e mo se genu ta wu ni.
Bia oni o ba re o e oriye. O gbe gbok be re na. Salo ba la o na do ama ni e ba ko e. Ni e do ri e yo wa. E do nya be age nyanye. Which man want do that kind of a thing? Man, we see the jealous when you the date to Ibo, you the date to Ibo, the jealous. Don't say Daki, be to for that matter, Mama. Where is it? You not try on the favor, you know you're trying. On that place, you already have a red flag is there. We are just supposed to let Mutano know, say, okay, we can be friends. But see, Mutano say you own the Germany. He no say you no go come from Germany, come greater. The prayer go now take the bed. He no say your own they come every weekend. It's a red flag already, mommy. Let's be sincere with you. It's a red flag. You're not supposed to even accept Mutano at all. For her to, as a Benin man, and do not Benin woman, for her to accept, say, okay, no problem. He no. Baby Papa, if na weekend, no problem. And baby Papa will still there around. Mommy, now your man to take talk out. You still right, give her. Baby Papa is around. No call me. You say no call me. Baby Papa is around. When baby Papa don't come out, you can't call her. Then you can't feel. Make that man they happy with you.
Wage be favor, we be favor yeki. Wage mercy, no mercy with emitia. Oh God.
That man no think they happy with you. Oh wedo.
Oh God. My this my video there you don't any. Mercy. Fuck up.
Odeva. Ewe gi on me very oni. Odeva. At least uke le lo be ave zero o. Uka settle issue when with a baby papa we. Wale baby papa we can settle issue ne. Ama when a baby papa redo mi omo. On arrive weekend ou vie mon on vie ba. E a yo rien. O baby papa. Oye moué ne adoué ni na ou e mou ba. But day Tuesday or day Wednesday. Mama test la o. Ete de na be ke na be ni wenje. Eta la o. O kwedo for that matter eta. Emma. E na ni nu ni. Osopo nu we pa nu we ya vigwe yo to. Uya ini the baby papa we. Ogi Mary megbe o. Be me ma do sevenia. Ogi Mary megbe.
That do megbe na. Egbe ni onye mercy na.
Vigwe yo to. Uya ini baby papa o we offend e. Be ma ugwe. Maybe ne ya tire o bi una ya ye. Maybe ne ya use words na no to think is an insult to you. Because I don't want to use any words like insult to you. Okay? That is, you make that man a man for that matter. You reduce him to I don't know as a man, you know what you reduce him to be for your fellow man. You know what they try to talk. You reduce him to your own fellow man. Mommy, you don't try. You don't try. Mommy, be favor. Umaya to. Umaya. So a book they are very only, but why bear a mutano here, but see your twins here. So we are very mammy no way. I can go now doing of your ever. Umapego be don't do think on I do reason where na ma on I walk in now. Ne dad over here, where we will say, one that's when na. What you know where your time? Who have my gualo, 11 do or not time? Woogie gualo. Okay, what's up behind? Boyere na do agbene no bia. Me magi understand. Ani se gbe ai gugu gba iva. Mama la wo egbe. E ma me a verse gbegbe bi ariye. Ariye me na do escalate because me tiana o me kenu wa do ese. Ave manu lugbe me ka offend. Iya do anyo duku. Do avalo ore keni ewe o. keni ma ewe o ya do akale ya egbe wogwe mama ewere next time don't accept this kind of a relationship okpe no accept no accept a baby papa wugwe aga wugwe nyere ya wugwe but owoni elelegi gbeduwe ogwenu dina egbe no be juju be that no na I'm on a reason na that no be juju no be juju